Fucking brilliant, mate. Right at the last minute, you decide to change lanes across a solid line. Oh, coppers. Come on, get out of your... Oh, no, you're getting pulled over, buddy. You're getting...
Using the left lane, make a left turn on Killarney Court, then make a left turn.
Oh, good on ya. Pay attention. Oof. This is how long it takes him to figure out. The guy in the Tesla there can't figure out that he's going to have to merge. Now, in the past, I would have yelled and said something like, F an idiot, but I'm not going to do that. As I say, you know, he had plenty of notice to move over, but he waited till the last minute.
Hi, want a ride?
It would help.
1 kilometre enter the roundabout and take the first exit onto Finnegan Way.
Please turn your indicator off after you've changed lanes. Oh, very clever, mate.
600 metres
Very
onto the
clever.
roundabout and take the first exit onto Finnegan Way using the upcoming left
Not
lane.
very clever, really, but anyway.
Make a left turn, Daddy. Make a right turn, Daddy. We're being the clear. You moose twit.
Come on, bro. Where's your indicator? Jeez. Well, you need some blinker fluid. I won't abuse this guy. I just say, where's your blinker fluid? Fill up your blinker fluid, mate. That's all I'm going to say. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that was close. That bird literally nearly flew right into my windscreen. I had to duck then. I don't know if that came out on camera, but... Whew.
Sorry, bruh.
Sorry, dude.
Fuck me!
Oh, just come on out. Don't mind me. Someone's nice enough and stuck a trolley behind a car. That's very nice. Yeah, that'd be nice, huh? Not sure, I'll have to check that one, but I think those lights just went green and then red again straight away.